Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You all already know about Kaito apps. They provide huge airdrops to users based on the ranks they achieve on the leaderboard by posting about specific projects. Now another project has just come up, which is SocialFi's Wallchain Quacks. Basically, this is also a SocialFi project where you provide good posts, rank well on the leaderboard, and based on that you're given a huge amount of airdrop for that particular project. So in this video, I'll share a guide on how you can join and earn rewards with Wallchain Quacks. Before joining, if you want the latest updates related to crypto and airdrops, then you can join our Telegram channel. I'll provide the link in the description, so check it out. To join, I'll provide a Telegram link where you'll find this page link. After landing here, you can directly sign in here, or you can also start with your X account. So authorize the app and you'll get an early Quacker badge by signing up. If you want, you can share this on your X profile. Now click on the My Account and scroll down here. So there's an Analyze and Claim option. Tap on that. Based on that, what will you get? You will be given your Quack points. For example, I got 0.01 Quacks based on 30 days of old activity. So you'll get this and it will show up in your Quack balance. Also in the My Account dashboard, you will see some options such as X score, your Quack balance, and your achievements. After this, you'll see a wallet section on the right side. Tap on that. Here you need to add your Solana wallet address. So here you can add your Solana wallet, paste the address here, and then save the address. Also here you can add your EVM wallet. So I'll put my MetaMask wallet, then save and done. So what's the main thing here? You need to come to the leaderboard section. Here you'll see something like pretty G active written, which means it's already completed. If it says finished, posting about that project won't benefit you. You need to provide posts about the active projects. For example, there's Helsa where 0.25% of the supply has been given. There's AppCoin with a reward limit set for it. Also, there are lots of other projects here. So how do you earn rewards? For example, you are joining the Wallchain project. Now you need to share content and posts for reach and activity. Based on this, you will get rewards. Finally, you can also share your referral link with your friends to earn 10% from your referrals. So click on invite friends and this is the link you can promote. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions, then ask in the comment section. If you are new to this channel, then please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.